What we've found, and particularly since COVID, is that young people started to disengage in learning, and there's plenty of data to support that. They needed some support in this area, and that an Aspirations program might be just the thing to try and get them more engaged. So it is a career, aspiration, future-oriented program to try and really lift kids and get them more motivated about their futures. In turn, hopefully they'll be more motivated about learning as well. Getting a sense of what you can train in locally and what some of the equipment looks like, just really trying to ignite their interest and passion about the future.
It showed us some of the equipment that people use in jobs.
Favourite thing was probably doing the VR welding.
You had to hold something and go across. You're welding something going across there, and it's really cool, all of them.
And I think my favourite bit was probably Tim's Toasties.
They'd put some photos of different jobs they were interested in. And then
there was a huge focus on the skills that are necessary to have when you go into the workplace, which I think was so helpful for these kids to learn those social skills and practice that, real life-based stuff.
And we look at exec function skills, so working memory, flexibility and self-control, because those skills are core to learning, getting along with people and to getting and then holding a job.
I learnt my strategies and what to do when you get angry.
I have learnt how to control my emotions and adapt to change.
There's just been so many benefits with the kids being able to use those executive functions, then being able to apply them and being able to see them in jobs.
There was the different strategies that they could use to remember things and be organised, being on time, being responsible and having that growth mindset, which was really helpful.
And it's not so much about choosing the career, it is just exposing them to a whole range of different options and keeping all doors open.
In the future, I would like to be a vet for my career. Maybe animals. They're always friendly and happy to have a pet.
In the future, I'd like to be a teacher. An F1 driver, an electrician. I'm not really sure why. I just want to be one. Maybe an architect or a designer, something like that,
A teacher, maybe? Or even just a mechanic or an engineer. I've always wanted to be one. Maybe a builder or a farmer.
Mechanic as well as a truck driver, because it's what my dad does.
We know from our research that young people start to close doors on careers from upper primary school, and that could be the influence of other people around them or just having low expectations of themselves, or even just living in a regional community where the options are less, we're not exposed to as much. So it seemed a beautiful fit.
I enjoy the Next Life program because you could express your feelings.
I like that it was very inclusive because we got to play fun games.
Building kids up and also building the connection amongst students. Sometimes we'll hear that students who are absent on certain days come on the mesh days.
It allows students to embrace their home life a bit more.
Because it's given me good life and mental skills to push through challenging stuff.
There is only one person in the world like me. I am unique. I have special gifts. To care, to grow and to create. I will be myself. And I will celebrate me.